But while we're in here, you're free to talk amongst yourselves and take any pictures of the walls if you'd like. Just try to stay in your lines, okay?
From the Back to the Future and Back to the Future 2 collection. Some of them were supposed to be flying in 2015. We'll get there eventually. Now, the Flintstones cars, yes, from the Flintstones film. A lot of foot power goes into those, if you know what I mean. Now, what car collection would be complete without a few cars from the Fast and Furious franchise? And here they are. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. I love that 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner. It's awesome. And we also have the Jeep Wrangler from Jurassic World. That's right. Yeah? Now that Jeep from Jurassic World actually made its debut in Jurassic Park in the first film, and then it was used again in Jurassic World, the fourth film in the franchise. We also have some vehicles from the Transformers film as well. Now, Jurassic World is one of our top-grossing films to date, and it starred Chris Pratt and Bryce Dallas Howard. Oh, jeez. Oh, boy, I think our dinosaurs got out of their cages. Everyone, I'm so sorry. Please, let's make sure your arms and legs are inside the tram. These dinosaurs can be a little tricky. Do you know what I mean? What's that noise? Oh no, it is a flash flood. Please be seated. Please be seated, everyone. Guess what, ladies and gentlemen? We have crossed the border and we've entered into 6 Points, Texas. Howdy, y'all. That's right. Now, here at 6 Point, Texas, we have filmed over 400 westerns right here at 6 Points, Texas. And here is one of my favorites. Why don't you guys take a look at your screens? What happened? What happened here? It looks like there was a plane crash. What? Oh my goodness. Ah, yes. That's right. This is actually the set from War of the Worlds, directed by Steven Spielberg and starring Tom Cruise and Dakota Fanning. That is a real airplane that they brought specifically for this film.